Easter is the time that family and friends will come over for brunch, or we go to a friend's house and we do a big potluck. So Janine Washle is here with a great recipe that'll keep everybody full.
Yes.
And has some wonderful flavor. It is loaded potato casserole.
Absolutely. And this is great to carry because it's in a dish, so it's highly portable. It uses potatoes, which are a great favorite, and then it's got so much flavor, and it's so easy to put together.
All right, let's do it.
And I love these little baby potatoes, these little new potatoes as they call them, because they come in a range of colors. Now those are white and red, but there's also yellow and there's also purple, and don't they kind of look like little Easter eggs?
Yeah, they sort of,
so it's just kind of Eastery.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you don't mind mashing those up, and plus when you use the small potatoes like that, you don't have to peel any potatoes.
Right.
So it's really a benefit. And then I'm going to add a half a stick of butter, and then I've mixed the milk with the sour cream here.
Okay.
So we'll add that in.
At my house, Janine, I'll be honest with you,
Yeah.
I whip the potatoes with an electric mixer because I'm a wimp when it comes to the old potato masher.
All the time because I just like doing it the old-fashioned way. And here's some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder for flavor.
Okay.
And then a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
I'm mashing. I use my potato masher for bananas and banana bread. That's about all it's used for at my house, yeah.
And then we've got some cheddar cheese. And
got
then
it. Okay.
After we've got all of that in there, and that looks really good.
Thank you. Did you hear that, Jude? Really good. I've done good work. Okay.
We would turn it into our casserole dish.
Okay.
And I happen to already have one here. And let's top it. So we've baked
You put whole potatoes in there too, just to make it look pretty.
Exactly, for Easter. And then I thought, you know what? We will we'll bake this for 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then I put a little bit of cheese over the top of it just to add color. And then how about a little bit of sour cream? We'll do the loaded part now.
Oh,
and then we'll just do that. So that really drives home the point that we have a loaded potato. Exactly. Okay. And scallions are fresh in the spring, so we'll add that. What do you like on your potato?
Bacon.
Yeah, well,
bacon
guess
and
what?
cheese.
Here you go.
Sauerkraut. This is right up my alley.
Oh yeah, we've talked about this before. How much we like bacon, and
so this gets added at the end when it's already done.
Exactly,
okay.
And that's six slices of bacon. This is super easy to reheat. Just cover with foil and pop it into a low oven, about 325, for about 25 minutes. It'll reheat perfectly. If you have a crock pot, you could even make this in a crock pot and just take that whole thing, and then it's nice and warm.
Sounds good. Janine, thank you. She'll share some other recipes, including these rolls that are made with cake mix.
Yes.
And these pretty asparagus bundles. We'll have that on our website. You just go to WDRB.com, find Janine's segment, and she will email you a whole brochure of information.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, and happy Easter.
Thank you. Happy Easter.
Thank you. Sterling.